Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to focus on the word handle. It's a versatile term that can refer to various aspects of managing, controlling, or interacting with something. Let's get started. Meaning. A handle is a noun and a verb with multiple meanings. Also, noun. 1. It refers to the part of an object that is designed to be held or operated with one's hand, such as a door handle or a tool handle. 2. It can also be a name or username used on the internet or social media to identify a person or organization. As a verb. 1. It means to manage, control, or deal with a situation or a problem. 2. It can also mean to touch, hold, or manipulate something with one's hands. Pronunciation. Pronounce handle as ʻhændl, with the emphasis on the first syllable, hand. Use in a sentence, as a noun. 1. She turned the handle and opened the door to the garden. 2. His online handle is TechWizard123. As a verb. 1. He knew how to handle difficult customers with patience and professionalism. 2. She carefully handled the fragile antique vase to clean it. Synonyms. For the noun sense of a part designed to be held, synonyms for handle include grip, lever, knob, or username. In the verb sense of managing, synonyms include manage, control, deal with, or tackle. Conclusion. Handle is a word with a wide range of meanings, from the physical parts of objects to managing situations and online identities. It underscores the importance of control management and interaction in various aspects of life. Thanks for joining us, and may you always have a firm handle on the situations you encounter.